Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how you can select and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, then once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and one of those toggles should be a hotspot one. From here, once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you will want to hold this toggle, which will take you to the settings, and in here you can customize your hotspot. Now, most important things in here will be things like the hotspot password, which is randomly generated, and I do recommend getting rid of it and then selecting your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers. Below that, you have the Wi-Fi type. We have choice between 2.45 and Wi-Fi 6. I do recommend keeping it by on the default option, which should be probably Wi-Fi 5, but I could be wrong, which will also apparently use the 2.4 and 5 GHz band anyway. The reason for that is because this will actually allow basically any device to connect to your phone without having any kind of problems, while other options might not allow you to do so. Then we have turn off hotspot automatically after 5 minutes of an activity. I recommend changing this to maybe like 10 minutes, which would seem a little bit more reasonable. And everything else, actually, one last thing, we have the AP band right here. So here is the actual thing that will define which bands you're using, so either 2.4, 5, or both. Both might actually turn off your Wi-Fi, and you really don't need both, to be honest. But for simplicity, I recommend keeping it on the 2.4. Now the reason for that is 2.4 is used by basically any kind of device that has Wi-Fi connectivity, while the 5 will be faster and more stable, but only newer devices will be able to connect to it. So some older devices will simply not see your hotspot at all if you choose the 5 GHz one. So anyway, with that being all set, we can close this, and then whenever you want to enable your hotspot, simply tap on it. And you're good to go. Once you're done with it, you can either wait the 10 minutes of inactivity for the hotspot to turn off automatically, or you can do it yourself by tapping on the toggle once again. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.